Hi, friends. Today we went to explore Besant Nagar Beach for sunrise. Unfortunately, sun is hiding behind the clouds and not willing to see us. We went to experience the view of the sun coming out from the ocean, but due to clouds, we could see sun few inches above the ocean. Still, we experienced the fabulous view of the sun and sunshine reflecting from the ocean water. It was a wonderful experience. There's a spot on the beach where food grains are laid out to attract pigeons. A huge number of pigeons flocked to the area, flying and landing to feast. Witnessing this scene was truly wonderful.